Hello, welcome to this update. So let's see this tropical disturbance in Madagascar that will potentially become a cyclone and go into Mozambique. So we have that. We have also some heavy rains in Central Africa, some thunderstorms in South Africa, and we have this cyclone 24 in the middle of the Indian Ocean. And so let's see here. We do have this Invest 99S that's over in Madagascar there now, and there are the ensembles here like the GFS. The GFS does take this into Mozambique and then curve this back down to the Mozambique channel, potential to Madagascar once again. And there's like the Canadian also takes this into Mozambique and then curves it into Madagascar again in the Mozambique channel. And there's some other models here like the Navgen and the Blue is the European. So the European goes deep into Mozambique and then comes back into the Mozambique channel into Madagascar. So please warn others there. Be careful. There's the run here from the GFS, so it goes into the Mozambique channel and turns into like a 9A category 1 and makes landfall in Mozambique. And this could cause some tremendous flooding plus damaging winds. So this stays a little bit in Mozambique and goes back into the Mozambique channel. And then this already March 14th, this goes and shows like affecting southern Madagascar and going away. And there's this cyclone now in the middle of the Indian Ocean. You just dissipate there. So please be aware. There's the European too. You can see there the one in the Indian Ocean and this one in Madagascar. So this goes there. The European goes like to 990, a strong tropical storm, and then this goes, and if I can make this, yes. So it goes into Mozambique, mainly northern Mozambique and southern Malawi too. It might affect Malawi too. So it goes back into the Mozambique channel, and March 14th, the European takes this back into Madagascar there. So please be careful. And after that, still has a finger or two in the Central Indian Ocean. So there's the Canadian here. This goes there and does go like 985 into Mozambique. This will be a strong tropical storm to almost category 1. So this goes there into Mozambique and then goes back into the Mozambique channel and affects like southwestern Madagascar, March 15th, around March 14, 15. But the Canadian turns this back into Mozambique later, so it goes into Mozambique once, goes to Madagascar, into Mozambique again. I think the Canadian is a little bit crazy, but I think you just go to Mozambique and Madagascar and then go away. But you never know. We will keep watching. There's the icon too. Shows here like those systems there. There's the one in the middle of the Indian Ocean and the one in Madagascar. So it goes and it gets to 982 by the icon, like category 1, makes direct landfall in northern Mozambique, then stays there like a day or two, then goes into the Mozambique channel and into Madagascar once again. So if you are in northern Madagascar now, there are these heavy rains happening now there, potential some flooding and gusty winds in a few spots. But if you are like southwestern Madagascar, in those areas, please just be watching this and be ready just in case. If you are in Mozambique, like these areas in northern Mozambique, you should be making preparations already and getting ready for this. So please be careful. There's the Navgen 2 shows there in the Mozambique channel and 2987 March 10th, so this might already make landfall Monday, March 10th, and then it does take this into the Mozambique channel, and the Navgen turns it to a category 3 or something. This model's kind of crazy, but yeah, please be careful those areas. And here there's like so please be careful. And now here for some wind, maybe some stuff. So there's the European model, shows those gusts there. There shows some higher gusts, some spots on Madagascar there, and in the ocean too. So it goes throughout Saturday today. This thing consolidates more in the Mozambique channel, and then this by Sunday. Tomorrow shows some stronger gusts, spots on the coast in Madagascar. So be careful there. And it does start going to Mozambique and as early as midnight on Monday. So this will arrive very early there, even during the night. And there shows spots on the coast there, some very high wind, especially like to 109. Some spots on the coast 111, and interior spots too, some stronger gusts. So please be careful. This goes Monday afternoon still, some wind left inside Mozambique and also on the coast. So be careful. Monday in Malawi too on Tuesday shows potential some more gusts there too, and then by Thursday this leaves into the Mozambique channel once again, Thursday the 13th. And the European does have it going to Madagascar once again on Friday the 14th. So please be careful. There's the GFS too. It barely has any gusts. It has slightly stronger there, but nothing crazy. But it goes there, and the GFS has landfall a little bit later, like Monday evening or something. The European has like Monday morning and during the night. So the GFS does have some high gusts there on the coast as well. Then this goes and goes back into the Mozambique channel. So please be careful. There's the icon, has those gusts inside Madagascar too because of those storms. Then this goes to the Mozambique channel throughout Sunday there, tomorrow, and the icon does have landfall in the middle of the night between Sunday and Monday, just like the European. So the icon is even stronger gusts to 124 km per gust, 110, 104. So please be careful. Be careful there. And the icon does something unexpected. It has like 148 km per gust right on the coast. 138 is very, very dangerous. Please be careful. If this happens, 136 km per gust in other parts of Mozambique, and some higher seas in the Comoros, slightly gustier too. But this goes Monday and goes into Mozambique there, maybe Malawi a little bit too. Then Tuesday shows like Wednesday the 12th, it starts going into the Mozambique channel again, and by Friday the 14th shows another landfall in Madagascar, so like 136 km per gust, 129. So Madagascar has to watch this closely as well. So please be careful. There's this high resolution model, but it's only short range here, so it shows those individual storms. There are some higher gusts in the interior mountains and maybe just wind gust by itself, and then it goes there throughout Sunday. It does have a strengthening the Mozambique channel, but this model doesn't go as far out as Monday. But already by Sunday evening, it already has this approaching, And these high-resolution models can exaggerate sometimes because they capture every detail, but according to this, 247 schools should category 4 cyclone. So according to this model, we would have a category 4, and it's not impossible because of those warm waters in the ocean and the low wind shear. So it's not impossible, but we have to watch this very close. I'll make a video tomorrow too, but if this happens, we really have to be concerned. But please just be careful there, and let's see the rain now. So the European does have some 97 millimeters spot in Madagascar from these storms today. More spots in northwestern Madagascar too, in Mayotte, close to 79 to 80 millimeters. So be careful there. But until March 13th, does show landfall Madagascar to 373 millimeters, some spots to 400, 445, 379. So please stay safe. There's some 381, and like even shows further down to Mozambique, some 287 millimeters, some other spots to 266, and the European does have in Malawi as well to 195 millimeters, 270, 218. So please stay safe, especially where this will make landfall in central, like northern Mozambique. Those areas might have some catastrophic flooding. So please be careful, and later, like if this goes back into Madagascar, potentially for more than 100 millimeters again in some spots there. So please stay safe. There's the GFS too. It has a little bit different. It has the landfall there, like some towns to 463 millimeters, 379, and this would already be devastating for 431. But the GFS stays less time in Mozambique. It just comes in and goes out into the Mozambique channel. But it does show like 323, 304 millimeters, some other spots there, somewhere in southern Malawi too. So please be careful. And then later, does have this passing south of Madagascar, not into Madagascar. There's the icon now until March 15th. It does go into Madagascar again, like more than 200 millimeters, some spots there, and has a weird moisture surge into like southeastern Madagascar too. But in Mozambique, the icon makes landfall somewhere around northern Mozambique, like 456 millimeters, 321, some coastal areas there to 378, and 400 millimeters. So please stay safe. Southern Malawi close to 200, another spot central Mozambique more than 200 as well. So please be careful there. Warn others. Be careful with flooding. There's the high resolution model, but it doesn't go as far out. But it already shows in Madagascar today and tomorrow's more than 200 millimeters from some specific storms there. So be careful with flooding too, as well as northern Madagascar, and more spots there. But this model does have more than 100 millimeters in Mayotte from the rain bands of this, and Como was close to 100 as well. So be careful there too with more rain. So let's say this in Portuguese now for them. Olá, bom dia. Então, tem esse ciclone que está formando no mar perto de Moçambique, que pode atingir o norte de Moçambique segunda-feira, dia 10, entre domingo e segunda. Pode atingir, tipo, durante a madrugada, assim, entre domingo e segunda, no norte de Moçambique, esse ciclone. Perto de categoria 1, ou tempestade tropical forte. Então, esse ciclone pode deixar ventos muito fortes, assim, principalmente no litoral, mais de 100 km por hora. Tem outros modelos que indicam quase 147 km por hora em alguns pontos. Muitas cidades ali, mais de 123, 108 km por hora. E cada modelo tem a sua ideia. mas vão ter ventos muito fortes. Então isso entra em Moçambique, mostra uns ventos fortes por dentro ainda, daí depois, dia 13, isso vai embora para Madagascar de novo. Mas tome, tome muito cuidado com esses ventos e avisem outros. E a chuva pode ser um dos perigos principais. Quando isso cair em Moçambique, entre domingo e segunda, mostra mais de 300 milímetros, 368, umas zonas até de 469 milímetros. Isso pode causar inundações muito perigosas, assim, tanto nas cidades, nos rios, também pode haver inundações muito perigosas. Mostra outras zonas mais para o sul, tipo 200 milímetros, mais para o centro de Moçambique, 291 também. Em Malawi também mostra mais, mas principalmente onde cair esse ciclone, tome muito cuidado. E essa chuva de ciclone tropical pode ser muito forte assim em pouco tempo, então é bem perigoso. Por favor, tome cuidado. E tem outros modelos diferentes. Tem esse outro que mostra tipo 458 milímetros. Esse também mostra uns 371, 438 um pouco mais pro sul. Então, nessa zona toda, tome muito cuidado e já comece a preparar, que hoje é sábado, pode cair entre domingo e segunda, então fazem as preparações durante o ciclone, tentam ficar dentro de casa, e uma casa que seja forte assim, contra o vento, e proteger as janelas, tudo, mas não sair dirigindo inundação. É muito perigoso ficar longe de inundação e comprar comida, água, o que vocês precisarem para ficar seguros durante esse ciclone. Fazer as preparações. Então, cuidado e avisem outros lá. Good. So stay safe. Please be careful there, and also the waves and some minor coastal flooding because of this, and the swells in the Mozambique Channel, not areas. So be careful there. And here, there's also the Canadian model that shows like a lot of rain. I'll just wait for this to load more. But in some other areas, in the next 5 days, does show more rains in Angola, Democratic Republic of Congo, more showers and storms in Gabon, Congo, especially in Angola, shows some spots close to 100 millimeters or even more. Tanzania shows more shower activity as well. Kenya shows some rain to Ethiopia, some showers or thunderstorms. In the highlands, but nothing that crazy. In Uganda, some more showers too, and Angola next 5 days. Still in South Africa, some of those thunderstorms, Lesotho and Eswatini. Some rain in Zimbabwe. Botswana is kind of dry, but a shower or two there as well. Some rain in Liberia, Ivory Coast, a storm or two there too. So be careful those areas, and this other cyclone might just go south there into the Indian Ocean, but nothing that crazy. So please be careful this cyclone. We'll make another video tomorrow for sure to talk about it, but please warn others there and be careful with other thunderstorms as well, and everything. So stay safe, be careful with slightly higher seas in some areas because of this, and please stay safe. Let's see if this loaded. So this until Wednesday, March 13th now. So I prefer to take a picture of this because here you can zoom. So it does show some spots, like the white is all above 100 meters, the white. So those dark red, dark black too close to yellow, like 200 to 300 millimeters, some spots there. So please be careful. There's an easier way we can see this here. So like, where's regions? Let's just put Southern Africa. So there's the, because I showed you all the other models, so let's see this one too. So it does go there, like, let's put until March 13th. So the Canadian has the worst rain in the ocean, doesn't have so much inland, but all those yellows inland are above 200 meters, potentially 300 near southern Malawi. So please be careful with flooding. This will be an extremely dangerous event. Please, please stay safe in thunderstorms and water spouts and everything else. Stay safe and check some links in the description for some weather warnings, and they also have some things here.